Let's bring on board Krishnanath Munde, Senior Pharma Analyst at Reliance Securities, who joins in to give us his views on Sun Pharma. Good morning. Let's start off by talking about what the expectation is from the US business. We're expecting fairly healthy growth, 20% plus. Do you think that this is going to, this segment is going to be fairly healthy?
Yeah, we expect some recovery in the U.S. business in this quarter. Overall, we expect the consolidated number of Sun Pharma in the U.S. is 9% YY growth we are expecting and 5% growth on QOQ on account of low base in the last year quarter and the channel refilling led by the tilrakizumab in the U.S., that is Illumina. Overall, we are expecting $359 million of US sales. But we note here the Taro has recently reported a good set of numbers and that are above our expectations. Overall sales up by around $18 million sequentially to $176 million and EBITDA up by around $5 million sequentially. So considering the good performance by Taro, we expect the ex-Taro business to report a better result than our earlier expectations.
Right. Yeah. I guess, Krishnanath, also what's going to be very critical will be what the management outlook is on Halol. The approvals as well as the launches from this particular unit, I guess, would be very critical from a domestic business point of view. What are you hoping to hear?
Yeah, the thing is, as you mentioned, overall, the approval rate is absolutely slowed down since Halol clearance. But the important is the management commentary on the specialty business in the U.S. Because they have launched a couple of products in the U.S. market, and we are hoping some ramp up in their specialty pipeline. So we need to look at that. And also on the India business, we are expecting muted performance on a YY basis because of the high base led by the GST restocking and strong performance on the QOQ basis as the last quarter they have done some one-off inventory reduction. So we are looking forward for the commentary on the specialty as well as the R&D and other operating expenses outlook going ahead.
Right. Oh, yeah. And what about the ANDA filings, new product launches overall? Anything you think is in the pipeline and could be announced along with the earnings today?
Yeah, the overall pipeline, the company has a strong ANDA pipeline in the U.S. business. Overall, around 135 products are pending for the approval, and so the important is like the overall ramp up in the specialty business, because the couple of products they have got the approval, like Gelpros they have received the approval, Elepsia they have received the approval, Sequoia they have received the approval. So we need to see the launches of this approval and also the ramp up of the existing specialty product in the U.S.
Okay, so assuming that the numbers come in line, do you see scope for a re-rating in Sun Pharma? Because this has really been beaten down, not because of its own earnings or, quality of the performance of Sun Pharma, but along with a lot of other corporate governance issues as well, which have propped up in Q3. From 430, where is it that you hope the stock would move?
Yeah, we are expecting some better improvement on the street earlier expectation considering the Taro performance. However, recently the management has addressed some of the investor concerns on the corporate governance, that is transfer of domestic formulation distribution to from Aditya Medicines to Sun Pharma's wholly owned subsidiary. The second measure they have taken is the unwinding of unsecured loan and advances. Also appointment of auditors in their subsidiaries, and they have removed the Wali and Timbadia where the promoter has had interest. And also management maintained that there is no loan and guarantee to the Suraksha Realty. So I think these are the positive moves the company has taken. However, the negative sentiment to remain because of the reopening of the SEBI investigation on the insider trading in the near term. But on the business side, I think Sun Pharma has been significantly investing on the building the specialty franchisee, and since the Halol has been cleared, also the track record of overall management of transforming the acquired asset. So we are seeing multiple growth drivers in the long run for Sun Pharma, but the near term there will be a overhang. So we are eager to have management commentary on those things going ahead in this conference call.
Okay, Krishnanath, great to have you on the show and analyze what to expect from Sun Pharma today. These are going to be extremely critical numbers, especially the management commentary from the Halol facility. What are they hoping in terms of the product pipeline and, of course, the new launches as well.